2011 could not have begun on a worse note for Industrialization Minister Henry Kosgey. The Tinderet Member of Parliament could soon find himself on the dock after a directive from Attorney General Amos Wako that he be arrested and arraigned in court for suspected abuse of office. Wako, in a brief to Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission head PLO Lumumba, instructed that Kosgey be charged with 8 counts of abuse of office in relation to exemptions he's alleged to have given to his close allies on the importation of second-hand motor vehicles that were over 8 years old. Kosgey had in November last year been grilled by the Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission officers over importation of more than 100 motor vehicles that exceeded the 8-year limit. Kenya has banned the importation of motor vehicles manufactured 8 or more years before the date of importation. However, the Standards Act allows the Industrialization Minister to allow vehicles that are over 8 years old into the country on the advice of the Board of Kenya Bureau of Standards. This provision is meant to cushion Kenyans working abroad so that they could be able to bring into the country vehicles that they may have been using while in those countries. However, it is suspected that well-connected second-hand motor vehicle importers were taking advantage of loopholes in the law and importing hundreds of vehicles, thereby denying the taxman revenue running into millions of shillings. Mid last month, Kosgey had also been named by ICC prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo as one of the 6 persons suspected to bear the greatest responsibility over the 2007-2008 post-election skirmishes. The ICC pretrial chamber is expected to rule in the first quarter of this year whether there is sufficient evidence to formally charge persons whose names are on the Ocampo list. In the meantime, it looks highly likely that Minister Henry Kosgey could be the first high-profile personality on the dock this year as the purge on mega corruption and abuse of office allegations against the so-called big fish takes shape. If charged with corruption-related cases, Kosgey will have to quit office as required by provisions of the Public Officer and Ethics Act. Francis Gachuri, Citizen Live at 9.